Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have a new question for you. 28 divided by 7 times 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7 will be equal to 4. And 28 divided by 7, it is also equal to 4. And here is no sign, so we will put multiplication symbol. 4 times 4 will be equal to 16, which will be our answer. But remember that this answer is not correct. Now we will solve it correctly by obeying laws of operations or order of operations. So first of all, we have to solve parentheses according to rule PEMDAS, the rule. So first of all, we have to solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication, then division, then addition, then subtraction.
So,
parentheses is there, so 28 divided by 7 will be equal to 4. Okay? Now, here is division, and here is multiplication. Question is, what we have to do according to PEMDAS principle. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to move from left to right. Mean the operation which is at left will be performed first. So we have to divide first. So 28 divided by 7 will be equal to 4 times 4. So 4 will be equal to 16. So 16 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.